You did everything right. You got the job. You worked your way up. You're making more money than ever before. On paper, you should be doing well. But in reality, you still feel stuck. Still checking your account before spending. Still feeling pressure at the end of the month. Still wondering, where is all my money going? This is the new reality. People earning $60,000, $80,000, even $120,000 are quietly struggling. Not broke on the outside, but financially stretched on the inside. So what changed? And more importantly, why does the middle class feel like it's slowly disappearing? Let's start here. The idea of middle class hasn't caught up with reality. It used to mean stable job, affordable home, some savings, a little breathing room. Today, you can check all those boxes and still feel tight because the definition stayed the same. But the cost of maintaining that life didn't. What used to be normal is now expensive. Let's break it down. Rent or mortgage is higher. Car payments are higher. Insurance is higher. Groceries are higher. And not by a little. By enough to shift your entire financial reality. So now, normal life requires more income than ever before. And most people are just trying to keep up with that. Here's where things get real. The modern middle class doesn't own their lifestyle. They finance it. Car payment, phone payment, furniture payment, subscription stacks. Everything is broken into monthly pieces, and monthly feels manageable. But stacked together, it becomes heavy. You don't feel rich, you feel obligated. Here's the illusion. People are making more money. But that doesn't mean they're getting ahead, because every raise gets absorbed by higher rent, lifestyle upgrades, increased spending. So instead of building wealth, you're maintaining a more expensive version of your life. That's not progress. That's inflation catching up with you. This part is subtle but powerful. You're no longer comparing yourself to your neighbors. You're comparing yourself to the internet. And the internet shows you luxury apartments, travel, soft life living, expensive routines. So what happens? Your definition of normal quietly shifts. And without realizing it, you start spending to match a life that isn't even real for most people. Now everything connects. You earn more, but you spend more to maintain your lifestyle. That creates pressure. So you look for relief, small spending, experiences, convenience. But that relief costs money, and your finances get tighter, and the cycle continues. This is why people making good money still feel stuck. Let's get practical. This isn't about blame, it's about awareness and adjustment. First, redefine normal for yourself. If your version of normal is expensive, your life will always feel expensive. You need a version of normal that creates margin. Second, cut the biggest weight first. Don't start small. Look at housing and transportation. These decisions impact everything else. Third, stop upgrading with every raise. This is where most people lose. Instead of upgrading your lifestyle, upgrade your assets. Fourth, build before you display. Wealth is built quietly, not shown monthly. Delay visible success for real stability. Fifth, create breathing room. Your goal isn't just income, it's space. Because space gives you peace, options, and control. The middle class isn't disappearing. Overnight, it's being stretched, slowly, quietly. And the people who adapt early will be the ones who break out. Because the real shift is this: it's no longer enough to just earn well. You have to manage differently, think differently, live differently. If this made you think differently about money, that's the point. Because once you see it, you can't unsee it. This is Holla's simple money. And this is how you stop just getting by and start actually getting ahead.